Welcome. Today we will explore what an ASP.NET API is and how it can be used to build web services. An API or application programming interface allows different software applications to communicate with each other. An ASP.NET API is a framework for building RESTful services that can be accessed over HTTP. Key features include being built on ASP.NET Core, supporting RESTful architecture, and being easy to create and consume. RESTful services use HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE to interact with the resources. You can create an ASP.NET API using Visual Studio where you define controllers and actions to handle requests. ASP.NET APIs can handle data using Entity Framework Core, allowing for easy interactions with databases. ASP.NET APIs can handle data using Entity Framework Core, allowing for easy interaction with databases. Implement security measures like authentication and authorization using JWT JSON Web Token or Open Authentication. Using ASP.NET APIs enables developers to create scalable, maintainable, and secure web services. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.